Good day, students of the English language everywhere, and anywhere you are. It is still on our platform ISIFE EDUBLOG, and your teacher of the English language, Martin Ekpa, is here to bring you lessons on the adjectival and adverbial clauses. First, we take the adjectival clause. Of course, this is in continuation of our earlier lessons on clauses. We had taken the introduction to clauses and the noun clauses. So we'll continue looking by looking at the adjectival clauses. What is an adjectival clause? What is an adjectival clause? On the board, the adjectival clause, also known as a relative clause, qualifies nouns or pronouns. That's what they do. They're also called relative clauses because they begin with the relative pronouns. Now, the adjectival clause, like the adjectival phrase, answers the question which and is known to start with who, which, that, whom, or whose. Any of these 5 relative pronouns can start the adjectival clause. Here are examples. The tree which father felled. Take note. I wrote father like this because I did not start. I did not add any modifier like my. If I had used my, father would have started with a small letter. But when I'm discussing with my siblings and I want to say our father, I might cut that R or my and simply say father emphatically. That emphatic father starts with a capital letter F in writing, right? So the tree which father felled was the one planted by Aranco. Now, which father felled answers the question which. If we said the tree was the one planted by our father, or by our uncle, the tree was the one planted by our uncle, somebody might ask, what happened to the tree planted by our uncle? So to define that, we said which father felled. Alright? So, which father felled is an adjectival clause. It qualifies the noun tree. Second example. The man who helped us with our homework was my Agric teacher. The man who helped us with our homework was my Agric teacher. If we cut up the sentence this way, we'll have the man was my Agric teacher. But to avoid my listener asking me, which man are you talking about? I had defined the man. Right? That man that helped us with our homework. The man who helped us with our homework was my Agric teacher. So, who helped us with our homework is adjectival clause. It qualifies the noun man. Alright? Example number 3 says, he that goes aborrowing goes asorrowing. That's an ancient proverb. That goes aborrowing is an adjectival clause which qualifies in the pronoun he. He goes asorrowing. Why? Or who goes asorrowing? The man that goes aborrowing. He that goes aborrowing goes asorrowing. So, that goes aborrowing qualifies the pronoun he. The fourth example is also on a pronoun. Those whom we employed should not dictate to us. Those whom we employed should not dictate to us. Whom we employed qualify the pronoun those. As such, it is an adjectival clause. So, adjectival clause for the grammatical name, it qualifies the pronoun those. Last but not least is the example number 5. The woman whose car was snatched reported to the police immediately. The woman whose car was snatched reported to the police immediately. Whose car was snatched define the woman, and as such it is an adjectival clause which qualifies the noun woman. Next is adverbial clause.